I'm Brendan Gilles, the CEO of Luxonis and the chief architect of the OpenCV AI kit. I'm here today to talk to you about DepthAI, which underpins this popular kit. So let me start with the why. We are trying to solve a critical life safety problem that required effectively embedding human-like perception on a small battery-powered device if we were to solve the problem. So this required spatial sensing, AI for knowing what objects were, and then CV to tie it all together. And this problem was only solvable if we could do this on an embedded device. We discovered that this was incredibly powerful. It was like a cheat mode of interacting with the world. We also discovered that there was no platform that allowed you to embed performant spatial AI and CV into a small battery-powered device. So we decided to build that platform. But to back up just a little bit, what is spatial AI and CV? It's the capability to know what things are and where they are in physical space. Objects, features, semantic labeling of things. So knowing a specific location in the physical world in real time, what an object is, what a feature on the object is, or the contours of an object, and then the physical locations of each of those contours.